In front of me is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text messages on this device. First of all, you need to open Messages app. Then select one of your chats and click on this icon at the bottom right corner with a photo and a paper clip. Now just hold photos that you wish to add and tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my pictures were successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!